My first day on the job was very busy. I met Todd at the studio and we got to work right away. He had 5 shoots lined up that day, one right after the other. A majority of the day was me observing how Todd would interact with his clients, noticing his photographing process, and learning what type of equipment he used. It was a very long day, but it felt great to get right into the swing of things. That day truly showed me how the rest of the internship was going to be like. Of course, I have some advice for you for your first day on your internship. Tip number 1, show up early. This shows that you are both eager and professional, but it also gives you some time to get settled in and see what lies ahead for the day. Tip number 2, be observant and make sure to listen. This will help you absorb more information and make your job a lot easier. This leads me to tip number 3, ask questions. If you don't understand something, feel lost, or are unsure of your duties, be sure to ask for help or clarification. There is no need to feel confused. Your supervisor should be there to guide you every step of the way. Once again, that is all I have for you guys for today, but please be sure to tune in for another video tomorrow.